चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So in this video, I'm going to present you an AI tool that will help you to add text in your videos without giving your hours and minutes of time. It might be an hour of time or it might be even a 10 minute of time, but you're gonna save that time just by adding all your text with the help of one AI tool. Just like how we were seeing in this video that these texts are automatically being added, and not just this style, you have multiple styles, you have multiple options to choose, out of which I have chosen this format. I'll take you to my AI tool and show you that how you can also add text in your videos without manual efforts. And not just this, there are 3 more ultimate features of this AI tool. If you want to create a video from a blog, basically if you are having a blog, let's consider the blog name is how to play piano, then I just have to copy the entire blog and paste in this AI tool, and this AI tool will give me a video within few seconds. With the help of this ultimate futuristic model of working, I can create videos on any blog on any topic basically. And not just that, the third ultimate feature is I don't even have to copy the blog. I just have to copy the link of that article and paste it here, and that's it. My video is done. And there's one more amazing feature that is going to mesmerize you, and that is if you want to create a video and if you want to use your own kind of visuals, all you have to do, just add your voiceover, just give your visuals to it, and the video will automatically be created in this AI tool. If you are a content creator, if you are a video creator just like me, then this tool is something that is going to save your hours of time by creating content in the best way. So without wasting your time, let me take to you my PC and show how does this tool works and what the tool name is. So the tool name is Pic3 AI. Let me take you to my PC. So let's first open the browser and type here Pic3 AI. On the Google result, the top result is the AI tool that we were talking about. Let's click on it. Let's click on the login button and let's sign up here. So now I have finally logged in. So there are multiple options as you can see here, like this is script to video, article to video, edit video using text, and visuals to video. So let's go one by one. So in the first option, the script to video, I'll just click on the proceed option and I'll just copy a script that I have made already ready with the help of ChatGPT. I'll just paste the script and we'll just click on this proceed button. And from this option, you just have to select any of the best template that you are liking for this video. So personally, I would like this tech head template. I'll just click here. Choose the ratio that you want. It is for a reel or for a Facebook, Instagram standard 1:1 post, or for a widescreen video. I am choosing the 16:9. And now you can see that the video is completely ready. Just because I'm using a freer version, you will get some watermarks obviously. But let's see how efficiently is this tool working. So these are the scenes that it has automatically generated and auto added the scripts in it. So it is perfectly done. If you feel like it is not done, like place your hands on the keys if the clip is not adequate to the scene. You can also change the screen and I'm in the visuals. So if I just click on the first clip and if I just start playing the video, let's see how does it look. Let's click on the preview button. So you can see that it has almost created a good video. So if you want to add the voiceover to it without recording it, you can also use the AI voiceover option here. Let's go to this audio option. Let's come here and click on the voiceover option. I'll just come down. These are the premium voices that you have to use only if you're a pro user. I'll choose any of the voiceover.
Welcome to Pic3.
Okay, so I'll just click here. I'll just click on the apply button. So now you can see that the voiceover is added. Let's click on the preview button once again and let's see how does it sound.
Do you dream of playing the piano like a pro? Well, it's easier than you think. In just 30 seconds, we'll get you started on your musical journey. Step 1. Sit down comfortably in front of your piano. Find a quiet, well-lit space where you can focus.
So this was its one feature. Now let's go and have a look on its second feature. So we'll be opening any of an article. We'll just copy the link, come back to Pic3, just paste the link and click on proceed. So now this has automatically extracted few points from the article. We have just pasted the link, and these are some points, and it will automatically now create the scenes and add some music. Let's click on the next button. Same like the first one, we'll be choosing a template. Let's choose any of the template. Let's select the ratio. So before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that if you are someone who wants to get adapted with the futuristic AI technology, want to create more better content, then you have to get adapted with the AI technology. AI is the new future and it is the futuristic way of working. So to make you more updated on the AI technology, we are coming up with a workshop. Please note that I'm not here to sell this workshop. It is for your own benefit. This workshop will help you to get adapted with the AI technology and the price is just 9 rupees. In just 9 rupees, you are going to enroll for this workshop and get more amount of knowledge in the AI industry. If you want to enroll for this workshop, then check out the link in the description below. Now you can see that the video is completely ready. If I just click on the preview button, so you can see that the video is created so perfectly well, but the only problem in this video was it was not able to extract the right information according to the topic, which was 7 steps to learn how to play piano. But yes, it did work so well, but the only AI summarization, the script process was not so good. Now let's come to the third picture, which is edit videos using text. So we'll be clicking on this next button, we'll be uploading a video, we'll be uploading a demo video and the text will be automatically added. Let's click on the upload button, let's select the demo video that I am having here. Let's click on proceed. So now the transcription is completely done. So here is the video sample, the live preview that you can choose, and at the same time you can also choose the best subtitles format that you want to see in your video. So for now I am selecting this format, the best one that I love the most in my videos basically. And if there are any changes that you want to make in your spelling or in any kind of word, all you have to do is just click on it and click on the edit text and just click on write the right word. And even if you want to delete some words, just right click on it and click delete from video. And if you want to create some space, like if you want to split this sentence, all I have to do like hello everyone. After that I want to create a space and I want this sentence, basically this sentence which shows that this is Tushar work. I'll just right click on this is, and I'll click on the split button. So if I click on this split button, you can see that it has now made a different sentence, a complete new sentence in the next time frame. So I'll just click here and make some spelling changes. I'll remove this word. So I'll just make some basic editing. If you also want to, change or make some adjustments in 2 or 3 words all at the same time, all you have to do is, for suppose I just want to, make some spelling changes in this sentence, which is I am having an AI tool. So all you'll be doing is click on this I and drag and drop till this AI tool. Okay. And just come here and click on this edit text. And with this option, you can, edit multiple words at one time. So after adding the text in the video, this is how the final output will be. Let's play the video. Hello everyone, this is Charlotte and you're watching Beaten. So in this video, I am having an AI tool that will help you to remove your background with the help of just one AI tool. See, I'm not having any kind of green screen background in my So did you notice how perfectly this AI tool helped us to add the text? You can also download this video just by clicking the download section. So this was all about the Spring3 AI tool. And just like how the article to video, the script to video works, similarly, you can also, make visuals to video. All you have to do is just click on the proceed button, select your clips. For example, if I just select this one clip or suppose demo video, I'll just click on open. I'll upload few more. So I'll just click on this proceed button and this will automatically arrange, have to arrange while I was uploading the files. This will automatically add some text if it needs some text. Okay, choose the ratio and just like all other way of working, you will just select the ratio and it will automatically add the text in it. It will adjust the scene, it will also adjust the text in it and the music in it, and everything will be done automatically. So this is how the output will be. So this was all about the Spring3 AI tool and how to use it. I hope you found this video really helpful. If yes, then do like this video and let me know in the comment section that what kind of AI tools do you use in your daily task. Everyone, including me, the team will be interacting with your comments, and I'll see you with one more amazing video. Till then, stay tuned with BeatenX. Bye-bye.